Hello, in this video we're going to look at how you can add work to a OneNote page for your teacher to assess or give you feedback on. The first thing we're going to look at is adding text. To add text we need to tap in the workspace area anywhere on the screen. This will bring up your keyboard and you can start writing on this straight away. Once you start typing you will see that a text box appears. If you want to make your text box bigger, you need to drag on the top right hand side of the box where you see a left arrow and a right arrow. By putting your finger on this and pulling out, you can make your text box bigger, and in the same place we can make it smaller. This will allow you to make your boxes as big or as small as you want them. You can also move your box to a different position on the page by putting your finger on the 4 squares in the middle of the box and positioning where you want that box to go. Once you tap off the box, this will disappear and all you will see is the text. If you want to add something different, like pictures of your work, you can do this as well. By making sure that again you have tapped inside your workspace area and the keyboard is up to show that you can work, going to the top purple bar you will see the option Insert. This will give you some options that you can put into your workspace area. First of all, we'll look at adding your own pictures. If you select the pictures icon on the left hand side of the bar, you will see that it will take you directly to your photo albums. In here, you select the pictures that you want to appear and then click Done. This may take a minute to appear and you will get a preview of the picture that you want, and this will allow you to cut down your picture, reshape it, resize it, and then when you're happy with that, click on Done and Done again, and this will instantly insert into your workspace. By adding a picture like this, you can then draw on top and annotate your work if you need to, and your teacher can also do the same. If we go back to the Insert option, we'll see that we have other things. So we can add, by again tap on the workspace area, because this is greyed out just now so it won't allow us to do anything, but if we tap on the workspace area, we also have the camera function. So directly from here we can tap on camera and we can then add pictures of our work. Again, we get a preview of that. If we click on Done, this will then bring this in. Tapping on the picture will then allow us to rotate that, and putting our finger on the middle crossbar will allow us to move the picture to where we want that to be. If we choose one of the corner circles tabs, we can make the picture smaller too. And again, we can do this with any of those that we like to. You can also add spoken work to your OneNote page. Again, make sure that your workspace is selected, and in the Insert options at the top you will find audio with a little microphone symbol next to it. As soon as we press on that, it instantly starts recording what we're saying. When you have finished recording, click on Stop Recording and that will instantly appear as a file in your OneNote page. You can again use the 4 square dots to move that to wherever you want it to be, and you can add a title to your work so that your teacher knows what it is that you are talking about. We can add files from other places as well. So if you wanted to add in a PowerPoint document that you had made, or a Word document that you've done your work onto, then by selecting the file icon, which is a little paper clip, it will take you directly to all of your folders, and you'll be able to see all of the drives that you have available to you and select the file that you want to include. That will appear as a little word symbol, and again you can move that and place that wherever you want to on your workspace. Finally, you may want to add a table to your work, again using the same insert feature. Tapping on table will instantly bring up a table. You'll see here it's quite small, so if we put our two fingers together and move them apart, we can zoom it in on our page. And the default comes up with a square 2x2 table. You'll see underneath the purple tab at the top though that we can insert and delete rows and columns as we want. So if we wanted to insert another column or row, we can easily choose those options from there. And just as with the Word text box, we can make that bigger by dragging the arrow icons with our finger. And then once we start typing, that will create a bigger or a smaller box for us to work within. The great thing about OneNote is once we are finished, we don't have to do anything else to that. All the work that we have done is now saved automatically onto that, and the teacher can see that whenever, and if we want to edit it, we can do that, and the teacher will see anything and all the changes that we make as we go along.